Hi there. My name is Jason Perkins. I'm an attorney who specializes in Georgia workers' compensation cases, and I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia workers' compensation video series. I created this series of videos because I want to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits they should receive under it. Today, I want to talk to you about whether you can receive workers' compensation for an injury that occurs outside of Georgia. Can you have a Georgia workers' compensation claim if you don't get hurt in Georgia? Well, the answer is yes, sometimes you can. Each state has different workers' compensation laws. Generally, you can always file a workers' compensation claim in the state in which you were injured. But sometimes you can file a workers' compensation claim in a different state. Georgia has one of the laws that allows you to file a claim here even if you weren't hurt here, if there are certain connections to Georgia. One of the most common situations is when you were hired in Georgia. Either you live in Georgia or your employer is located in Georgia, and you were not hired to do work exclusively outside of Georgia. In that situation, you're often able to file a Georgia workers' compensation claim even if your injury didn't hurt here. So, for example, if your job required you to travel and you ended up getting injured in another state, you may still be able to file your claim in Georgia if you fit those rules that I laid out. Now, in these situations, whether it's Georgia or another state, you may be able to file a claim in more than one state. You're going to want to look at where should you file your claim. One of the reasons that you might want to file in Georgia is it may be easier to have your claim here. If you live here, you may want to have a Georgia claim. Also, the laws in Georgia might be more favorable to you than the laws that are in the other state in which you can file your workers' compensation claim. So that could be another reason that it might make sense to file in Georgia as opposed to a different state. As I mentioned, each state has different workers' compensation laws. So you're often going to have a choice whether you can file in Georgia or another state. Now, when you're making that choice, you're probably going to need to talk to an attorney who handles Georgia workers' compensation claims and also to an attorney who handles workers' compensation claims in the other states or state in which you can potentially file your claim to find out which may be the best option for you to pursue and get all the relevant information. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you got more questions about where you can file your workers' compensation claim or any other issue associated with Georgia workers' compensation claims, I'm certainly happy to discuss those questions with you and try to get you answers. One of the best ways you can do that is by setting up a free consultation about your claim. There's two easy ways you can do that. The first is by calling the phone number at the bottom of the screen, and the other is by reaching out to us to our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Just click on and submit the free consultation request form, and a member of our team will contact you and get a consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.